Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope that you guys had a great week so far. I am recording this on a Thursday because I get paid tomorrow. So today we're going to close out my March 12th budget. So today's the 25th. I get paid on the 26th. So I did well, guys. I did not spend, I didn't spend anything from last week. So we did really well. So I'm just going to, instead of filling this out, I'm just going to transfer this onto my actual here. So we did this last week. All my bills got paid last week and we were able to see what my leftover was. And I did receive my stimulus check. And I'll show you what I did with the extra check that came in. So let's fill out so the 1946 was paid for Netflix, and then I'm gonna write these. The groceries we have left $44.41. So this stays the same. So we spent, the actual will be $405.59. And for transportation, I actually didn't need to get gas. I do, however, need to get gas tomorrow, but that will be on tomorrow's paycheck. So this stays the same. For transportation, it was $41.37. And then my allowance, I spent $103.83 for household, kids allowance. $50.80, and then household and beauty I went over $155.68. And then for my, let's see, the medical or the miscellaneous we went over, so we spent $89.95. For fun we spent $21.70, and for this we spent $55. I went to the specialist and I spent $55, and then for the medicine and my vitamins, I'll have to go in here to see what I spent my Every Dollar app. I think it was $9.68. Let's see how close I am. Ha! Look at that. Wait, let me show you. $9.68. Okay, and then let's add that up and see how much we spent on our credit cards to know how much we pay when those are due. $41.37. Let me put it here. So now that my light is bright, I don't know if you guys can see that. Where were we? So $41.37 plus $103.83 plus $50.80 plus $155.68 plus 55 plus 89.95 plus 21.70 plus $9.68 gives us $953.06. So that's how much else I know to pay for the credit cards, even though I just pay them in full anyway. And then what we did with the extra, the $2,800 that I got from the stimulus check, I put those towards my 2 credit cards that I'm paying off debt for. And the first one, let me see. The first one is my city card. Actually, I paid both my city cards, so let's go. So this is City Rewards. And City Double. And for the City Rewards, I paid this balance off, and then I put $1,800. We didn't budget anything, so the actual was $1,800. And for City Double, I believe that was $2,200. Yep, so that was $2,200. So which equals to, this is actually $4,000. And then now we can take the 4266.51 minus 4,000 is going to give us the 266.51, which is right on track with what I have in my checking account. And then we're going to leave that in there as a cushion. 266.51. And that is an every dollar budget. So now what I can do is zoom you back out. I can put this back. And now we can do we can budget for the 26th. So I already put in my bills. It's my checking fee, my mortgage, and my HOA, and how I know which bills will be paid on the 26th. Again, I can just look at my monthly view and look at the day that I get paid. And anything after that on my calendar is what I will pay. So I will be paying my checking fee, mortgage, HOA, Sprint, and Hulu with the 26th paycheck, because I don't get paid again until April 9th, which is the second week in April. I'm going to so now I can go into my Every Dollar app and see what I have left over for the month, which is not much at all. Don't know. Well, I do know what I did, but so gas we have, and I'll write it with the credit card that is color coded. So the red is my Bank of America credit card. Let me zoom you in just a little bit. So for groceries, we have not a lot left over. We are working with, for the next 2 weeks, $44.41. For transportation, $158.63. My allowance, I have nothing left. So we are going to, we overspent $3.83. So we have nothing for the next 2 weeks. Household and beauty, we have nada. And then miscellaneous, we overspent, which is down here. Nothing there. And then the kids actually have, that's in pink, $49.20. And for there and for fun, we have $78.30 remaining. And then medical, we don't have anything. We spent the $55. And then for medicine, we have $40.32 remaining. So let's go ahead and add what we have to work with for the rest of the next 2 weeks. So that's 101 plus 2153 plus 4441 plus 158.63 plus 49.20 plus 78.30 plus $40.32 gives us $493.39. to work with. So if I end up getting paid the $26.72.66 for this paycheck, so $26.72.66 minus $24.57.10, it's $215.56 left over. And I will probably throw that in my cushion. $215.56. And remember, I pay these variable expenditures with my credit cards, and I just pay them off when that bill comes. And this is how I keep track so that I don't go over using a credit card, because it's very easy to go over. Most of the time I do very well, sometimes not so much, but that's just how it goes. Thank you for watching. If you like these types of videos, please consider subscribing. I hope we can make this a safe place to come and ask questions and share our ideas. See you next week. Bye.